All right. So has everybody had a chance to look over the vocabulary list we just handed out?
Yes, sir.
All right, great. We're going to go over some of those in a little bit. I'll have all of you ask questions if there are some you're still not quite understanding. So most of these words should be pretty familiar by now. If I drew something like this, a line segment, call it AB. I put a C right there. What do those two tick marks mean? Yeah, they're both equal. And what can we call the point C?
Midpoint.
A midpoint, that's right. Is that, I think everybody's got that by now. Can anybody tell me what a kite is? If I ask you to draw a kite, what does that look like? I think I saw it back there. Yeah. So we have, what do we know about these top two lines? They're equal, yeah. And then we have two more like this. So a kite always has four sides. And what do we know about these two bottom ones? They're equal. And so I use two tick marks instead of one to show that these two are equal and these two are equal. And that is a kite. Oh, I know one that I wanted to talk about. Because I don't think we've really mentioned it yet. Does anybody know what this thing is? Compass, yeah. And we can use it to make nice circles. So make sure, and what about this one right here?
Protractor.
All right, protractor. So this is a protractor. This is a compass. Why they call it a compass?
Huh?
The compass is round.
Yeah, it's and because you're used to the compass that tells you like north and south.
Yeah.
But it makes a circle, which I suppose is like that. I can't really tell you though. We can look into that. Does anybody know what we call these angles here? So I heard complementary and I heard supplementary. These ones here, what does this add to?
180.
They add to 180. And whenever we have that, we call it supplementary. What about complementary? Because we heard that one too. What do those add to?
90.
Yeah. So complementary angles add to 90 degrees. We have another name for this when they're connected on one line. What do we call that? It's 180 degrees. It's, oh, what? I think I heard it. Yeah, it's a linear pair. Because the two angles together make a line, which you can see right there in the word linear. Do two supplementary angles have to be connected like this?
No.
Yeah, no, they don't. We could have them, we could have something like this. Let's say this is 95 degrees. And if we had another angle here, that's 85 degrees. Let's call this angle A and angle B. What's angle A plus angle B?
180.
Yeah, the measure of angle A and the measure of angle B are 180 degrees. So those are supplementary.